Want to protect your equipment from wear and get better MPG? AMSOIL is for you. Your DFW AMSOIL dealers have everything you need, with over 600 satisfied customers nationwide and across Canada. Independent AMSOIL dealer George Jetton has attended most every school offered by AMSOIL since 1994. Gas or diesel engines, city driving or heavy-duty off-road construction. Open your commercial or repair shop account online with the reference number 351747 to buy wholesale, direct from AMSOIL. As a preferred customer, you get offers once a month and free shipping for orders of $100 plus. As your DFW AMSOIL dealers, we're ready to help you get the most for your money. Want to know which oil works best for your vehicle? Check our website at thefirstsyntheticoil.com. We at DFW AMSOIL Dealers thank you for your interest and look forward to a long business relationship with you. Contact George Jetton by calling 817-821-2533 or email him at georgejetton32@gmail.com. AMSOIL, the first and still the best 100% synthetic oil.